Do you want all of the ground?
What?
Take one with me. Why are you holding it down?
Because I had it.
Put it down.
Okay, let's go this way. Because they're all down here. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Hey, good bound. Caitlin, cover, moving up. Oh, hit! Oh.
I got a dead test.
Good job, you're still alive. This freaking hill, man. Caitlin, I'm coming to you. Oh, I got one. Caitlin, can you cover just up the hill real quick? Reloading. I'm gonna move behind you, and then I'm gonna keep moving. 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 You just sit back there the whole time? Yeah, you ran out! Wow, for the first time.
I hit at least one person. I was pretty sure I hit someone above.
Yeah. Did I not hit you? No. I died over here from someone, but over there, no.
I had you. You were so close.
Is your hop up set up?
My hop up setup? Well, I don't even know what that means.
Oh, that's probably why.
Oh no, yeah, it is. It was. I think it was just a little bit left to you.
Yeah, if I get shot in the face, because that's all you had, yeah. I would have felt it for sure. I don't see anybody over here. Okay. Oh, I see him. Where am I getting shot from, man? Oh, check. Oh, whoa, what the?
Sweet. Sweet, Dustin, sweet.
That's it. This is not fair after this point. I'm not a speed softer like you. I play fair.
Game over!
Oh, what?
You either entertain us or we don't. Man down, man down.
That's kind of nice.
Whoa, he said he liked that view.
Hey, oh, whoa. Dude, we were like, I hope I didn't hit you. Okay. I was like, one of us is gonna get each other at some point.
Hey guys, if all of us have our barrel covers or mask on, whichever one.
Oh, okay.
Do y'all want to take your mask off, or do y'all want to have the mask on?
We already have it on.
Right.
I like looking mysterious.
Hold this on. Hold it together. Yeah, you got it. It's a two-sided thing.
Woo! Yeah, roll time. Roll time. Jimmy's mom.
You three, middle center, yeah. So.
What?
Wherever you think you can
Yeah.
That was hella gay.
Alright, that was the last day. Go home.
No,
Take a photo of the three of us?
that's the finger.
Just don't worry about it.
You're awfully close, man.
Do you have it at 0.5?
I had a 1.
Oh.
I mean, that was that close. So.
Dang.
Hot.
Sugoi.
Nice.
Sigourney Weaver.
Do you want all of the ground?
What?
Take one with me. Why are you holding it down?
Because I had it.
Put it down. Thank you.
Oh. What do I do with my hands?
Well, apparently you're just... Yeah, let's retake that so you look cool. That doesn't look cool.
It looks kawaii, no?
You want to look kawaii?
I want to look kawaii.
Go like this.
What? What is this?
That's kawaii.
It is?
Yeah.
No. Whoa! Oh, dude, I saw that. Holy crap! It curved up. I'm unarmed. Oh, someone's like, skull mask is on the right side. I'm like, ooh.
The guy in the skull mask is on the other side.
Okay. Oh, I see him.